Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy updo in less than 2 minutes. To start, we're going to put the hair into a mid-height ponytail, and then we're just going to simply divide that in half, and working on the right hand side I'm going to split this in half again and twist the sections around one another to create a loose twist. Then secure it at the end with a clear elastic band. Then just repeat the same steps on the left hand side of the ponytail. Next, apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then really pinch and pull those twists apart for more messy volume. And repeat it on the right hand twist as well. Next, all we're going to do is take hold of those twists and again loosely wrap the sections around one another to create one big twist. Now, keeping hold of the ends, all I'm going to do is wrap this up and around the elastic band of the ponytail and keep wrapping, and when you run out of hair just tuck those ends underneath. Then secure all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. I like to keep my bobby pins closed. Then gently pinch and pull at the bun for more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.